Today at FoneFunShop we are doing a quick demonstration on how to fit these hydrogel films that we sell. So what we're going to do first is just give the watch a quick clean down with a microfiber cloth. Then we're going to grab a hydrogel screen protector. Just going to place it in the center, try and get it as center as possible. Once you're comfortable with the position it's in, just push down on it. If you just grab yourself something like a credit card, just apply a bit of pressure on there. Then what we're going to do is peel back one side, get under it like so, and then we're going to get a credit card and push down on the line and peel it back, and then push down that way and apply some pressure on there. What we're going to do is rotate the watch and do the same again but on the opposite side. So I'm going to go where the line is, peel the protector back, lift up and then push down, and then you should see the layers of the film come off. And then you want to get your credit card and just push it out to the edges to get rid of any bubbles that might appear. And then if you peel your top layer off, then just apply pressure on the edges again. Get your cloth, get quite wiped down, and that is how we fit our hydrogel screen protectors on Apple Watches. Thanks for watching.